Carry away. Happens to me all the time. Helping you save money. Now that's Progressive. Call or click today. Sir, finding everything okay? Energy.com. The efficient life is the good life. When I look at Dish Network and DirecTV, I can't tell the difference.
Well, he's a progressive, and they don't work together. The progressive and the Constitution don't work together. Listen to his daughter on Larry King.
I consider myself a progressive.
Exploration missions of their own. Afghan officials say massive avalanches have killed at least 64 people north of Kabul. Rescuers have evacuated 2,500 people there so far. The leader of Hamas says Egyptian construction of an anti-smuggling wall will not break the will of the Palestinians. Correspondent Mike Tobin reports Hamas.
Technology can also be a powerful and positive aid to rescue work. Fairfax, Virginia.
Now, one of the biggest, most popular things in America.
I don't know, every couple of hours I get up and turn on the video and my camera, and I just put it in the same spot and shoot a picture.